For the first week of me wearing my Galaxy Watch 5, I kept feeling there is something not quite right about the Galaxy Watch 5 on my wrist. It's the same size as my previous Galaxy Watch Active 2, but this Watch 5 looks much bigger, even though they are the same size. After that, I realized the problem is with the original Galaxy Watch band that comes with the Watch 5. This is a quick video of how I style my Galaxy Watch 5 from this to this. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. I won't beat about the bush. The problem I noticed with the Galaxy Watch band is that it does not rotate backwards, or should I say downwards. As a result, it makes the watch look taller and bigger on my 17cm wrist. The band is too rigid and it creates a gap here, especially when my wrist is resting on the table. And it gets worse when both sides are like this. It also kind of hinders the heart rate sensor to work properly. From this indent on the wristband, I think Samsung seems to know this problem, so they created a groove here. But this groove doesn't appear to help the wrist strap bend. I'll show you a demo of how to replace the watch band, in case any one of you are wondering. It's pretty easy. There is a spring-loaded pin. We just have to pull back the pin using this latch, and we can lift off or install the watch band. If you are wondering, this is the Canvas Quick Release Watch Band from Barton. I've used Barton silicone watch bands for my Galaxy Watch Active 2, and this is the first time I've tried their Canvas style. To be honest, it looks kind of stiff and rough from the website photo, but the real thing feels surprisingly comfortable and smooth. I noticed they even made the effort to smoothen all the rough edges. I highly recommend Barton watch band if you are looking for one. Now after I replaced the watch band with this new canvas strap, this is how it looks on my wrist. It's a lot sleeker and the watch has more freedom to slide and move around on my wrist, which is what I like. Now, for honesty and transparency, let me get the disclaimer out of the way. I bought everything in this video myself. I'm not affiliated to Barton watch band manufacturer at the time of publishing this video and received no compensation from them. So after replacing the watch band, the next thing to do is to find a watch face that matches the watch band. The watch faces in the Galaxy Wearable app are great, but I wonder what other features I could get if I were to pay and download watch faces from the Google Play Store. So I ended up buying the MD307 Digital Watch Face. Not only the design and color theme of this watch face looks really good, it gives me plenty of information, controls, and customization. I've set this button to launch my recent app, and this corner to show the weather temperature, and by default, the heart rate reading is already up here. I changed this corner to show another time in a second time zone, and customized the color of the date, time, and seconds display. This line on top of the time that says reminder is also customizable. We can show our next meeting or reminder entry from our reminder app. What I really like about this watch face is these two radar displays of the battery indicator and my step count. These are figures, I don't need to know the specifics. These two red needles show me the rough percentage, which is good enough for battery and step count. I love the shadow and the color of this illumination, creating a 3D effect, making these two dials appear to be below the steel frame of the watch face. Very smart of the graphic designer to use this type of techniques. I paid $1.79 for this watch face on Google Play Store. But actually, I got it for free because I did lots of Google surveys on earning free Google credit. Watch this video appearing on the top left to see how I did that. Now once again, I'm not affiliated with the developer of this watch face, just sharing this watch with all of you because I know how time-consuming hunting for a good watch face can be. For screen protector, Rather than buying a new one, I found a spare screen protector for my old Galaxy Watch Active 2. Given it's also 44mm, it fits perfectly. So if you have any old screen protector of the same watch size, most likely they will fit, and you don't need to buy a screen protector specifically for this Galaxy Watch 5. Like this video if you find it useful, and subscribe to help my channel get to 10,000 subscribers. Thanks a lot for your help. You take care, and I'll see you in the next video.